Welcome. This video we are going to see Sukhi Aadmi ki Kameez. Everyone like to live happily. It may differ from man to man. Somebody think that if they had money, then they will be happy. And somebody think that respect and the famous is the key of happiness. In reality, happiness get from outside satisfied us very short time. The happiness is a realization. When we experience the happiness, then we can do our work with full of effort and interest, and it became our duty. So the given the given lesson is the reference of the English poem John Case, Ancient Search, Ancient Search. So let's see the summary of this lesson. There was a king who was ill for many days. There was a king which will have the palace, gardens, and the servants, peaceful life. But one day he suddenly fall in illness. He was checked by doctors from a long distance also be. No one could diagnose the disease. One day the intelligent doctor checked the Raja and told that he will be alright if he slept one night wearing the shirt of the happiest man in the world. The next day king ordered the soldier to bring the shirt of the happiest man. The soldiers was in the search of the shirt. At last they found a man crawling, jumping and shouting under the tree. They went to him and asked him whether he was happy or not. And the man replied that he was happy. Immediately the soldiers asked him to give one of his shirts. The man then replied, if he had a shirt, he would have given to them. But since he doesn't have any shirt of his body, he will not able to give them one. Finally, the king realized that happiness is inside oneself. Nothing outside can make one happy. He then opened the windows of his room and let the fresh air come in. He felt better than before. So now come to the book essays of this lesson. First we read the meanings. These are large, tatpar, ready, merge, disease or illness, anekanak, aneka, anek, much more, abhivadam, welcome, samdrust, satisfied, kanya, welfare or well-being. So that handwriting and the dictation words. Vishal, we know Vishal, large, Buddhiman, intelligent, tatpar, ready, merge, disease, Vaidya, doctor, first, health, active man, Anokanak, much more, Anoka, much more, Swast, Samasya, problem, Patini, wife, Sainik, soldier, Abhivadam, welcome, Prasanna, happy, Mushkil, difficult, Ilaj, treatment. So now come to the question answer. Raja kaise jindagi ji raha tha? Jindagi means life. Jindagi means life. How the Raja lead the life? How the Raja lead the life? Raja lead the shady life. So the question word is kaise means how. Instead of how, you going to write the answer Dukhi shady. राजा के सैनिकों किसको खोजने के लिए निकले? किसको is a question word. To whom? खोजने search. The soldiers of Raja. What they searching? What they searching to shut up? What the purpose they walk out to searching? What the king's soldiers? What the soldiers going to search for? What the soldiers going to search for? The soldiers going to search the happiest man's shirt. So the happiest man's is the answer there. So खुशी आदमी की कमीज इंस्टेड ऑफ किसको खुशी आदमी की कमीज खोजने के लिए निकले. लोगों खुश ना होने का क्या क्या कारण था? What is the reason the people's not being happy? कोई अपने करीबी से somebody are in the poorish na, and somebody are worry about the child, and somebody are of their wife. They are sad. Somebody are their poorish, and somebody are their child, somebody are their wife. दुखी था. किसर ने किस बात के लिए अपनी असमर्थता जताई? Butter. Butter reason the bottom matter, the farmer show his inability, resolve his inability, asamarthata, inability, chatayi, revolve, relief. So, what the reason? What the message? What the message is that the farmer show his inability. किसान की कमीज मांगी तो उसके पास कमीज ना होने के कारण जब सैनिकों ने किसान की कमीज मांगी तो उसके पास कमीज ना होने के कारण असमर्थता जताई. He revealed the inabilities when the soldiers asked him the shirt. Then he have no shirt. So he revealed the inabilities. Raja Bhima क्यों पड़ा? Why the Raja fallen disease? Why the Raja fallen disease? Bhima means illness or disease. He already know merge also be illness or disease. सुख की खोज से राजा बीमार पड़ गया. In the searching of the happiness, राजा fallen illness. वैद्य ने राजा को स्वस्थ रखने के लिए क्या सलाह दी? What the doctor advised king for keep up health. यदि एक रात कोई खुशी वाले व्यक्ति की कमीज पहन के सो जाए तो राजा पूरी तरह स्वस्थ हो सकते हैं. In case one whole night Raja wear the कमीज, wear the shirt of happiest man shirt, then he will be alright. Raja will be alright when he wear the happiest man shirt in the whole night and sleep well. So now that another question answer. सैनिकों को सबसे खुशी कौन लगा और क्यों? Why the soldiers feel? सैनिकों को सबसे खुशी कौन लगा और क्यों? Who feel very happy for the soldiers and why? सैनिकों को सबसे खुशी किसान लगा? So कौन लगा? First question that is count. Instead of the count, who you write the answer word kisan. So this question we have the two question word count and the kyo. Count means why, count means who, and the kyo means why. Who is shown very happiest for the soldiers and why? सैनिकों को सबसे खुशी किसान लगा. Soldiers felt that all better happiest man is a farmer because कड़ी धूप में खेत जोत करके शरीर पसीने से लथपथ means soak. The body is soaked with the water. Soaked with sweating. Pasine means sweating. So even the farmer soak his body with the sweatings in the field work. His face is show the happiness. So even he have no thoughts to wipe his face. Even he is happy. Even though he is happy. So this is a reason. राजा की सेवा के लिए तत्पर रहते थे. राजा की सेवा के लिए दासी वो तत्पर रहे थे. तत्पर means ready. You know already. So this is a pillar. First pillar तत्पर is the answer. Second one किसान गीत गाते हुए अपना खेत जोत लगाता. जोतना means irrigation. So the farmer irrigate his field with singer songs. सैनिकों ने किसान से एक रात के लिए अपनी कमीज देने के लिए कहा. Soldiers asked the farmer to give his shirt for one night. पूरी तरह संतुष्ट व्यक्ति के पास ढकने का वस्त्र भी नहीं था. Always happiest man have no cloth. Vastra means cloth to wipe his face. सुख का रहस्य जानकर राजा आराम का जीवन त्याग कर कल्याण के काम में लग गया. कल्याण means well-being, welfare. So after realized, after know the secret of the happiness, Raja do the work of well-being, welfare work. So now come to the क्वेश्चन, डिटेल क्वेश्चन आंसर. पाठ के आधार पर बताइए कि सुख का क्या रहस्य होता है. टेल मी द सीक्रेट ऑफ द हैप्पीनेस अकॉर्डिंग द लेसन. टेल द सीक्रेट ऑफ द हैप्पीनेस अकॉर्डिंग द लेसन. पाठ के आधार पर सुख एक एहसास है जो हम तब महसूस करते हैं जब हम पूरी लगन और मेहनत से कोई काम करते हैं और उसे पूरा करना हमारा पहला कर्तव्य होता है जो हमें परिश्रमी और संतोषी बनने में मदद करता है. According to lessons, happiness is the secret which help us to do our work very happy and the effort and the interest and this hard work is help to be happy. तुम्हें किन किन बातों या कामों से सुख मिलता है. What are the works you get a happiness. मुझे बड़ों की बात मानना और अपने सारे काम को अच्छे से करने में सुख मिलता है. I be happy when accept the elders' words and do my work very successfully. मैं अपने सारे काम को पूरी मेहनत और परिश्रम के साथ करने में विक्षम रहता हूँ. I do practice to complete my work very hard and effortlessly. So next one, change into Bhavavachak Sanya, abstract nouns. So Prasanna happy, happiest is abstract. Prasannata Bhima, illness, Bhimari, Bhimar ill, illness, disease, Bhimari patient, Sukhi, comfort, Sugat comfortable, Rogi patient, Rog illness. Next पर्यायवाचक शब्द equal meanings. Raja's पर्यायवाचक. They ask to write any two. I give on a 4. You choose and write any two suitable for you yourself. Raja king, Badshah Nurub, Samrat Sultan. Raja's equivalent meanings another words in the Hindi. Badshah Nurub, Samrat Sultan. Bagicha garden. Garden equivalent words in Hindi. Bagh, Bhavan, Vadika, Phulwadi, Udyan. शब्द मिलन. अनेक प्लस अनेक, अनेक. परम प्लस ईश्वर परमेश्वर. कारक चिन्ह. There are the 7 कारक चिन्ह. Case signs. In the case signs, you are going to write it. दूर से. से इसे कारक चिन्ह. संबंध कारक. संतों को एक दिशा दिखा. कोई से कारक चिन्ह. दास दासियों सेवा के लिए. अभागम कारक के लिए कारक चिन्ह. सारी बात राजा ने बताई. ने इसे कर्ता कारक चिन्ह. की का प्रयोग. की that is Hindi alphabet, short key and then long key. The short key means off. Long key means that and do. Long key means off and do. Long key means off and do. Short key means that. दास दासियों राजा की सेवा के लिए तैयार रहते थे. दास और दासियां सर्वेंट्स आर ready to work of राजा की सेवा सर्विस ऑफ किंग. पैसे ने राजा की जांच पड़ताल की. मीन्स do past form did. की राजा check the rajas. पूछने पर पाया कि, पूछने से पाया कि, पाया कि, पूछने पर पाया कि वहाँ सभी दुखी थे. After asking that no, all are in sad. किसी की पत्नी, किसी somebody's wife का देहांत हो चुका था. Somebody's wife had died, passed away, diminished. उसने मुझसे बात ही नहीं की. उसने मुझसे बात ही नहीं की. He didn't do any talk. He is a word. And here is a short key. He. आपने पूछा था कि मैं आऊंगा या ना. You said that. You said that. He short key that. मैं आऊंगा या ना. I will come or not. I will come or not. You asked me that I will come or not. So I hope you maybe understand this exercise. I first of all thanks the person who sent these clips to me. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.